Hi, I'm Judi Bar, Yoga Program Manager for the Cleveland Clinic. Who wouldn't like to have more balance in their daily life? I'm going to show you a few yoga moves that can help to strengthen your leg muscles, that helps you to have better balance, and also teach you to find a way to have more of a peaceful calm with life's daily challenges. So here's a couple things that you can do very simply. Generally, it's best to have your shoes off, but if you prefer to do it with your shoes on, you can. The first is called rocking horse, and what this does is helps to strengthen the knees and some of the lower leg muscles. Kind of warms up the feet. The next part's the more challenging part. You come up to your tiptoes and hold. Whoops, see how I start to roll down? Come back and come up. You really need to use your core a lot more when you're practicing your balance. So down and then hold. Good. Another one to do, it's called grandfather clock, and the reason is because we're swaying back and forth. So as we go back and forth, we're taking our body weight off the center. I'm going to show you. We're going to swoop up to come to tree pose. Now see how I'm kind of zigzagging here to try to stay upright? That's actually the good thing. We don't want to have a perfect balance. What we want to do is kind of work through it so that our whole body has to get used to it, from the brain and our muscles. So we did one side, now we're going to do the other. And as we go side to side, we're swooping up. Because what happens is when we fall, our body weight is usually off our center of gravity. So we're practicing being able to do that. Okay, the next pose is just the plain tree pose, where we're going to keep our weight straight head, bring a foot up, and it can start low. We call this shrub, and all the way up here to full tree pose. And ideally standing here for about 30 seconds. So if your mind wanders or you find yourself having a hard time balancing, just bring it back to the single point that you're staring at the wall. It'll help calm the mind, and it'll actually help you balance better. Remember, in all yoga, do both sides. So, to sum it up, it's not about having a perfect balance. It's what your mind and brain is learning along with your muscles in order to keep you balanced than it is to be perfectly balanced at that particular moment. Thank you.